Hey y'all. So today I am actually planning to head to Lidl. I actually managed to get out of the house early this morning. By early, I mean like 10 a.m. Normally, I don't end up leaving till like 1 or 2 in the afternoon, which means I'll just end up going to whatever grocery store is closest, which is usually Aldi or Walmart. But since it's 10 o'clock, I thought I would go somewhere different today. So I'm thinking Lidl. So I will share everything once I get back. And so I'll see you guys in a little bit. And I saw this cute guacamole kit on the Lidl finds aisle. Don't know what comes in the kit, but I thought it was just super cute. Alright you guys, so I am back from Lidl and I did end up stopping at Aldi for a few items. But let me start by sharing the menu. So we're going to do breakfast for dinner. I'll make some type of penne pasta with some garlic bread. And then we'll do some chicken tenders with some veggies, probably green beans and carrots. I didn't end up making the stroganoff last week, so I just moved it to this week since I still have everything on hand for that. Then I'll make some homemade mac and cheese and some type of baked chicken. And then the rest of the week it'll just be fend for yourself or leftovers or maybe takeout. We'll see. So let me show you what I picked up at Lidl. So I got just an 18 pack of eggs. And then they had this large 16-ounce pack of spring mix on sale for $2.99. Then I picked up some grape tomatoes and some mini cucumbers. They had both of these on sale also. And then some bananas. They didn't have a lot of fruit on sale and it was a bit picked over, so that's why I went to Aldi. I got a can of crushed tomatoes for the penne pasta and then some strawberry fruit spread. They had the cubed Colby Jack on sale for $1.40 a bag, so I picked up 2 bags of that. Picked up some of the sliced mozzarella for my daughter to try. I don't think she's had it from Lidl yet. Picked up 2 bars of New York sharp cheddar. I'll use some of that for the homemade mac and cheese. And then I also got a block of Colby Jack. Picked up some Italian blend just to have some already shredded on hand. Then just a pack of sharp cheddar cheese for sandwiches. And I love Aldi's jalapeno Havarti cheese, so I thought I would try the one from Lidl. And then I found this British aged cheddar. And I thought I'd try that to see if it's as good as the red Leicester cheese from Aldi. And this actually wasn't in the system, so the cashier just told me I could have it for free. But I do believe it was supposed to be on sale for $4.50. And then for the goodies I picked up this week, I picked up some Maria cookie sandwiches. I've never seen these as a sandwich before, and we like Maria cookies, so I picked those up for everyone to try. Also picked up this large pack of hazelnut wafer cookies. They were on sale for $1.50. And then they also had this chocolate covered marble cake on sale for $2.99. So I picked all those up as a special treat for everyone to try. Then we got some Greek peach on the bottom yogurt. I've never seen peach before, so I picked 2 of those up. And then I just picked up 4 of the strawberry banana, as my son has quite a bit of yogurt still in the fridge. Then I got 2 containers of cream cheese spread, just 1 regular and a strawberry. Then I picked up a pack of butter. And I've been craving some fried bologna, so they actually had some of the Oscar Mayer there, so I picked up a pack of that. Got a pack of frozen broccoli. And they had the hash brown patties on sale for $3.99 a pack, so I picked those up. We'll have those for breakfast a couple times this week and also for maybe a dinner side. They also had the family size 22-ounce packs of bacon on sale for $3.99, which is a great price, so I picked up one of those. And then they had these frozen packs of baguettes on sale for $2 a pack, and each one has 3 baguettes inside. Their bagels were on sale for $1.50, so I picked up some plain ones and some cinnamon raisin. And then we got some almond milk, some regular milk, 2 things of Minute Maid, as they were on sale for $1.99, along with the grape juice was on sale for $1.99. And then I was out of sugar, so I went ahead and picked that up. So that is everything I picked up at Lidl, and we spent right at $86. So then I decided to swing into Aldi to see if they had any good deals on fruit. So I ended up forgetting the bread at Lidl, so I just picked bread up at Aldi. And then I picked up 2 containers of strawberries. They weren't on sale, but they were around $2.89 a pack, and they looked a lot better than the ones at Lidl. My Aldi finally has their brand of Pop-Tarts back in stock. They've been out for like a year or longer, so I picked up one of the chocolate fudge. Then I picked up 2 cans of fruit cocktail, some heavy whipping cream, 2 cans of chicken breast, some sour cream, and some pepperonis. And we ended up spending around $26 at Aldi. So altogether, we ended up spending around $110 for the week. So I thought that was really good. Granted, we didn't buy a lot of meat outside of like bacon and bologna. So that really helped cut down on the grocery bill. So I hope you guys have a great week ahead, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.